Hello and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of frugal living for 2025. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to saving big while still living a fulfilling life? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical tips that can transform your financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more life-changing tips. Living frugally doesn't mean living poorly. In fact, it's about making smart choices that help you live better while spending less. 2025 is the perfect time to rethink your habits, align them with your goals, and prepare for a brighter future. Let's dive into some actionable strategies that can make a real difference in your life. Section 1. Master the budget. The foundation of frugal living is a solid budget. In 2025, there are tons of free apps and tools to help you track your income and expenses. Start by listing your essential expenses, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then set a realistic spending limit for discretionary items like entertainment and dining out. Here's a tip: use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This simple strategy can help you prioritize what truly matters. Section 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a closer look at where your money is going. Do you really need all those streaming subscriptions? What about dining out every weekend? Consider meal prepping at home, which can save you hundreds of dollars a month. Also, evaluate your energy usage. Switching to energy-efficient appliances and turning off lights when you leave a room can lead to significant savings on utility bills. Section 3. Embrace minimalism. In 2025, less is more. Decluttering your home not only saves money, but also creates a more peaceful living space. Sell items you no longer use and put that money toward your savings. Before buying something new, ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I borrow or find it secondhand? Apps and online marketplaces make it easier than ever to shop sustainably and affordably. Section 4. Smart shopping tips. Be a savvy shopper. In 2025, use price comparison websites and apps to ensure you're getting the best deal. Look for sales, coupons, and cashback offers. Buy in bulk for items you use regularly, but only if you have space to store them. And always make a shopping list to avoid impulse purchases. Section 5. Frugal entertainment options. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. Take advantage of free or low-cost activities in your community, like parks, libraries, and local events. Host game nights or movie nights at home instead of going out. There are endless ways to have fun without overspending. Section 6. Save on transportation. Transportation can be a major expense. In 2025, consider carpooling, using public transportation, or even biking to work. If you own a car, maintain it regularly to avoid costly repairs and improve fuel efficiency. Section 7. Focus on health and wellness. Health is wealth, and preventive care is a frugal choice. Eating healthy at home, exercising regularly, and staying hydrated can save you money on medical bills. Also, look for affordable health insurance options to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Section 8. Invest in yourself. One of the smartest frugal moves is investing in your skills and education. Online courses, free resources, and workshops can boost your earning potential. Remember, frugal living isn't just about cutting costs, it's also about increasing your income in sustainable ways. There you have it, practical and actionable tips for frugal living in 2025. Which of these strategies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips to live smarter, not harder. Thank you for listening, and here's to a financially stress-free and fulfilling 2025. Until next time, take care and stay frugal.